G'day everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be fixing floors and cowl panel. And if you're thinking, wait a minute, I've seen this movie before, that's because you have. This is why fixing cars is expensive. It's a lot of the same stuff over and over and over again. That's why you pay someone else to do it. But I'm cheap and I don't want to pay someone else, which means I got to do it myself. You probably also don't have money. So if you want to do it, you're going to have to do it yourself. You see, this Falcon, like most of them, was fitted with the factory air conditioning, where it just blows in around your ankles and whips up your shorts. Ooh, I'm very happy with that fit up. Look at that. And I've about had enough of it, so we're going to get rid of the last of the holes in the floor. Alright, there we go. Again, it's not perfect. You know, you can still, if you squint, you can still see where the welds are. And for all of you that are like, what's it look like underneath? Well, that, essentially. But don't you worry, we're going to make it look pretty. There's no light coming through. It's sealed, it's solid, and there's no holes. So that will do for the minute. And wouldn't you know it, just to be a dickhead, the welder ran out of gas. So that's going to hold us up for today. Okay, we're back. New bottle of gas. Different day. Let's try and get this done. Also got a new helmet because my other one's just leaning. Okay, got to clean up where all the gas ran out, but it'll do. Just that bit, and this bit, and then that's floor done. Why does this always just escalate? The second you start poking, you find more stuff. Anyway, back to it. Okay, floor done. Sealed all the way around. Whew. No more Bogan Air Conditioning. Yes. Oh, now I might have to go get a proper air conditioner. Damn it. Now, because I suck at following my own advice, we're going to get sidetracked and I'm going to come and steal the transmission hump out of this because that's what I feel like doing. So, let's do that. How am I supposed to get to that? 5 extensions. Ewy, that's gross. Okay, it's got the seat brace I want. And it's got the floor hump, but it's the weld-in type, I think, not the bolt-in, which is... I was hoping for a bolt-in, so I could just undo it. I might actually have to unpick this one. Okay, I'm gonna go get a drill bit, and we'll come back and drill all this business out. Why do we need this many spot welds? I don't understand. Okay, I think that's all the spot welds drilled. Now I just gotta split it and try not to wreck it. Also, if you're doing this at least semi-frequently, I cannot recommend these highly enough for panel splitting. They are seam busting tools and they are excellent. I regret the entire time I never had them. Come on, get out. Just that bit. Side quest successful. Let's go and see if it fits. Okay, and then it should sit somewhere like about there-ish, I think. Yeah, that'll be good. Anyway, onto the cowl panel. You guys are going to get really sick of watching me do paper templates by the end of all this. Also, don't copy the way I do it. I'm pretty sure I do it wrong. Now, I found if you keep as much of the original structure there as possible and then cut it away, you actually get a much better fit up and it gives you something to mold to. Quick blast with a rattle can primer and some epoxy and we're on to the next section. Now I wanted to have a go at making this all in one piece because it just felt like that would be possibly easier and look neater. In reality it was way more work than doing little patches, at least initially. Way less grinding though. And it was about at this point that I realised my transmission hump side quest had actually eaten into most of my time. And this was about as far as I was going to get. Right, so I'm sufficiently out of time for today, / this week, / however many days this has been. So we have a half repaired cowl, we have a solid floor, and we have a transmission hump, which we didn't need, but I felt like doing. So I'm going to call all of that a win. Next week, we will look at finishing the cowl, probably putting the transmission hump in, and maybe trying to get some of the dash back in to make this look like a car again. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, follow, do all that business. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.